What is up, guys? Brandon the Halloween Kid here, and I got a new prop review on the cannibal arm eating bride. And she's obviously a bride. She's very detailed. I got this at a Halloween store in Manhattan called Halloween Adventure. Gotta check that out. I'll make a video of that store. It's really awesome. Crazy stuff there. Let's just get to the detail. Creepy face, blood on her mouth. Her eyes light up as she's eating this. So I'll show you, and she's holding an arm with blood. So let's get this started. So she's eating it. There she goes eating it. Well, sometimes that falls, but sometimes that falls because it's very heavy. So gonna have to put this one away. So I'll show you again. She's eating that arm. She's very creepy as she plays that creepy music. And I love her hair and this stuff. So yeah, that's just another review of the bride eating arm. See you next time on my next review.